here at Jack's Bodyworks down in southeastern California. It's about 2.5 hours out of LA. Jack's World Class Collison is the name of the shop, and we've been implementing Planning Plus for the last 3.5 days. We've pretty much got them up and going now, so I'll be passing the baton back over to them this afternoon and then heading back to LA and for the flight home. But this is a world-class shop, and here comes Jack right now. He's actually just driving past us in his golf cart. He's got his jeans and his t-shirt on and his hat, and he just makes sure the place is kept spick and span, and he's a real creative type of guy, and he's built this facility, and it's really quite amazing. So we'll take a bit of a walk, and you can see behind me this is all Jack's, but I'll just put it to the front of me and we'll walk on down the aisle and head towards where the office is. But the whole facility, that's all parts and blueprinting and everything behind there, and all production, and right down to the far end where there's paint. But you can see it's a high-end shop. We're doing Range Rovers and BMWs and Teslas and Bentleys and Maseratis and McLarens and Audis. So pretty much all you're going to see here is this type of high-end work. The quality of the work is really quite outstanding. So we're just walking now down towards, this is the initial area where customers can come in and just be undercover. Very hot down here, even for this time of the year, still pushing 100. And we're just going to pass by. We've just got a Maserati there, and then we're passing the BMW, and then we've got a McLaren here that's about to be handed back to the customer not too far away. It's had a very big hit on it and a very expensive repair. Another Maserati. And this is the office and entry area for Jack's here. So just a little bit of an intro on the whole facility, what they do and what we've been up to for this week at Planning Plus.